Hey Kickstarter! For years, top restaurant chefs have been using the Sous Vide cooking method to make the most tender, the most delicious, the most amazing dishes you've ever eaten. My friends and I got together and we thought, why can't we do this at home? Why do all these professional chefs get to make all this delicious food and not us? What if we could create something that would be easy, affordable, and simple to use for the everyday chef? So, we rolled up our sleeves and we took our prototype from the lab into our kitchen, and now we'd like to bring it into your home.
Food is something that we connect and build friendships through. And we took a look at the marketplace and realized that there are opportunities for us to create an elevated culinary experience. So the Smart Cooker is this magical device. It's a pressure cooker at its heart, but it's a pressure cooker for the future. We've taken all the benefits of pressure cooking, which, stripping down to its barest elements, is trapping steam at a really high temperature to create this tender result in about 70 to 80% less time than conventional methods.
In terms of pressure release, we developed an automatic pressure release where at a push of a button, the pressure will be released and the steam will come out, so the user will not have to go near the button that manually releases the steam.
This is a multifunctional device that can do so much more than just cook. It can bake, can steam, it can sear. The options are almost limitless.
The process starts with, we conduct this design research for a couple months, and we understand most of the people are looking for flexibility. They want to learn more. They want to find that discover moment. Food is really complicated matter. It's not only for surviving. There's something inside every human which pushes us to create that connection with our food.
The most important property that we're trying to achieve is a positive user experience and a flawless guide to the cooking experience. People want to use an app, they want a friendly environment, they want ease of use.
We all love having product to the market.
Imagine a healthy, delicious gourmet dinner cooked in your own kitchen from scratch, all with just the simple tap of your finger. Some might describe it as the future, others a lifesaver. We call it Suvie, the refrigerated multi-zone kitchen robot cooker, plus smart meal kit delivery service. Life is busier than ever. Providing nutritious, fresh, flavorful meals for our families has become such a challenge. The time and energy it takes to shop, prep, cook, and clean, we just don't have it. Our fresh, chef-inspired dinners are all created with natural and raw ingredients that can be customized to your taste and delivered straight to your door in refrigerated packaging weekly. Suvie automatically detects your food and keeps it refrigerated until its algorithms tell the appliance exactly when to start cooking, so everything is ready for you at the same time. All you have to do is load your Suvie in the morning, go about your business, and come home to enjoy a fully cooked dinner. No prep, no stress, just a perfectly prepared dinner that's ready when you are. Imagine the freedom and time you'll save.
Hi, I'm Kevin, a former Apple engineer.
And I'm Robin, founder of Reviewed.com.
2 years ago, we set out to design a revolutionary cooking appliance that was beyond anything on the market. We were tired of takeout and delivery, and we found that traditional meal kits took too long to prep and clean up. We knew there was a better way. And that's when we invented Suvie, the smart, refrigerated, multi-zone cooker that works with meals of fresh, raw, ready-to-cook ingredients.
We estimate that with Suvie, you can save an average of 6 hours per week. That's 6 hours you could be spending with your friends or family, or just being more productive and getting more things done. You can always put your own food in Suvie, but if you order Suvie meals, there's no prep required. You can pick one of our chef-designed meals that serve 2 to 4 people, or customize your own from over 10,000 combinations. Meals are made up of raw proteins, fresh vegetables, raw starches, and delicious sauces created by our gourmet chefs. To cook your fish, chicken, and meat, Suvie uses the French master chef technique of sous vide, heating them vacuum sealed in a water bath to the perfect serving temperature. Pastas and grains are boiled and steamed. Vegetables are cooked flawlessly using steam and then roasting. And Suvie even automatically drains pasta for al dente perfection. Unlike traditional sous vide systems, Suvie has a broiler that roasts your vegetables and proteins right before it's time to serve your meal. And our award-winning chefs have created sauces and garnishes to give your meals a 5-star finish.
Over the past 2 years, we've tested and iterated on dozens of prototypes. Now we're ready to bring Suvie to you, and we're looking for your support to help us revolutionize dinner together.
Let the Suvie kitchen robot give you the time and gourmet healthy meals you deserve. The future is here. Join the Suvie dinner revolution today.